great pleasure to see architects and consultants around the table this morning. There was a great point being made about how people should get together. About project management was a particular thing raised by various people, and the way to do it is through collaboration. Can you explain what that collaboration is and how it would work ideally?
The age in which we live, there are so many different areas of expertise which need to be brought together in delivering a coordinated project which actually meets client expectations and end user experience. That collaboration, when you bring all these specialisms together, is fundamental. You can't have people designing in isolation and bolting things on, because the way in which buildings are being developed and the whole built environment is being delivered in the marketplace requires a far more collaborative and integrated integration of expertise to enable that quality product to be brought to the end user and the client.
And it's become an infinitely more complex process than it was a few years ago. Therefore, I suppose a collection of skills and the ability to share knowledge is becoming increasingly important.
Yes, and I think specifically to today's roundtable discussion, AV is no longer a bolt-on optional extra. It's an integral part of the overall guest or client experience or requirement, which is why that key aspect of an integrated design needs to be carefully thought through and accommodated and incorporated in a holistic design.
But the overall control, collaboration is a lovely idea, but ultimately the overall control, someone has to make the decision and keep an eye on the project and be accountable. Now, who should that person be or entity be?
I think the key thing is it starts with the client's brief and what their expectation and what their aspiration is, what it is they're wanting to bring to market, and what they're then expecting to have available at the end of the day for their guests or their clients to experience. And I think in that regard, a clear understanding of the brief is fundamental, but often you'll find architects are the lead consultant, and the key role that we find we need is not only in understanding what the client's brief is, but how we can actually get all of those areas of specialism to be joined up and committed to delivering that coordinated delivery of the end product.